Hi, Cardinals. Today we're going to look back at our teen numbers. We're going to reach our learning target that says, I can draw teen numbers as pictures of 10 ones and some more ones. We did this yesterday, separating our 10 ones from some more ones with objects, with our number bonds and hide zero cards. Before we begin our learning target, let's go over some of our fluency activities. We've done this one before. How many dots do you see? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 dots. How can you see those dots as two separate parts? Some people might say, I see 5 dots in this row, and I see 4 dots in this row. 5 and 4 make 9. Do you see it a different way? You could. Some people might say, I see the 5 and 4 like this. Let's look at another group of 9 dots. How many dots do you see? 9. How can we see those as two parts? Great job. Some people said, I see 3 dots on top and I see 6 dots on the bottom. 6 and 3 make 9. Some people said, I see 1 dot here and 8 dots here. 1 and 8 make 9. You're both correct because there's many ways to make 9. Great job, Cardinals. Kiss your brains. Now let's play a different game. This game, I want you to look at the dots and tell me how many you see. It's easier since they're in a 10 frame. There are 3 dots. When I snap my fingers, I want you to tell me what is 1 more. So if you said 3, 1 more is 4. Great job. Let's look at another one. How many dots do you see? 9. What's 1 more? 10. Great job. 9, 1 more is 10. How many dots do you see? 8. 1 more is 9. Excellent job. Now let's look at our story problem for the day. Listen to my story. A pre-kindergarten friend named Jenny drew 15 things with 1 chip and 5 more chips. You draw 15 things as 10 ones and 5 ones. Why do you think Jenny made her mistake? Let's look at what Jenny drew. This is Jenny's drawing. She drew 1 and 5. You drew 10 and 5. What mistake did Jenny make? Yes, she drew 1 instead of 10. Look at the number 15. Why do you think she drew 1 instead of 10? Oh no, you're right. She forgot that the 1 doesn't mean 1. The 1 means 10. The 5 is hiding the 0. Great job, Cardinals. And we know that 15 is 10, 5. Now let's look at more teenage numbers. Do you see the 10 frames? Let's build our teenage numbers as pictures inside these 10 frames. I have to remember that my teenage numbers is a group of 10 with some left over. This 1 does not mean 1. This 1 means 10. So when I go to make my groups, I know that I need 10 dots in the first 10 frame. Let's fill in our 10 frame with our 10 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, how many are left over? 9. So we have 10 ones and we have 9 ones. So in my next 10 frame, I'll create a group of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop, return, sweep. 6, 7, 8, 9. All of my dots put together are 10, 9, or 19 dots. Remember, we always have to have a group of 10 with our teenage numbers. Look at the next one. What is this teenage number? 16. Does the 1 mean 1? No way, Miss McKay. The 1 does not mean 1. The 1 means 10. So how many do we fill in for our first 10 frame? Yes, we fill in 10 dots. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many do we fill in our second 10 frame? 6. How do you know? Because the 6 are the ones that are left over. They are in the ones place, hiding the 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop, return, sweep. 6. Remember, our group of 10 is here. The 1 doesn't mean 1, the 1 means 10. Look at the next one. What is this teenage number? 14. Great job. What do we put in the first 10 frame? Yes, a group of 10, because the 1 doesn't mean 1, the 1 means 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, how many are left over? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can count 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Or I could say 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4. But it all makes 14. Look at our next teenage number. What does this 1 mean? 10. How many should we fill in this 10 frame? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, what is this number? It's a 1 as well. Does this 1 also mean 10? No way, Miss McKay. This one is just one that is left over. This one is just one. 10, 11. Look at the next teenage number. 17. How much do I fill in for this amount? 10. Great job. Remember, when we fill in every part of the 10 frame, then we have filled in 10 dots. How much for this part? 7. 10 ones and 7 ones left over. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10, 7. 17. Look at the last one. Can you draw a picture for 15 as a group of 10 ones and 5 left over? When we're finished with the video, maybe you can get a piece of paper and a pencil and draw a group of 15 as 10 ones and 5 ones. Excellent job drawing your teenage numbers as 10 ones and some more ones left over. Look at these pictures. One person drew 11 as a group of 11 circles. They drew a circle around the group of 10 and showed the one left over. Another friend used their 10 frames to show the same amount. Is one of them easier for you to understand than the other? Which one's easier for you? Why? That's a good point. For Miss McKay, it's easier for me to see the numbers organized the 5-group way inside a 10 frame. Because when I see a group of 10 in a 10 frame, I automatically know that's 10. And then I see one left over. Great job today, Cardinals. I hope you had a wonderful week and you'll have a great weekend. I'll see you on Monday. Bye.